Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to put the standalone camera into the action pod on Insta360 GO Ultra. In order to do it, you'll simply need to take the standalone camera and find these pins on the back side. Now align them with these pins right here, so it has to go like this. And now the standalone camera is in the action pod and you can use it. If you want to take it out, press and hold on this button right here and then take the camera out. Just like that, it attaches with a magnet. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.